Okay, Prince. The moon moves around the earth in its own orbit, while the earth moves around the sun. What could happen if the moon did not orbit the earth?
Orbit the Earth. It might it might cause the Earth gets hotter.
It might cause what?
The Earth gets hotter.
What?
Colder
Colder,
or hotter. Hot.
hotter. Next, a country experience daytime. Yeah, you. Felicia, okay. A country experience daytime while other country experience nighttime. Explain why this happened. You can explain. Daytime and nighttime. I think you know that.
Yang
Yeah. In
why
daytime.
night?
Yeah. Why day and
Because
why night?
the Earth uh,
Rotate.
rotates, causing the day and night happen.
Next. A country experience daytime while other country experience nighttime. Oh wait, the earth rotates every day. Why do people in different countries have different times?
Because the Earth rotates different.
Because there are daytime and nighttime. Next, Josephine. The moon moves around the earth on its own orbit, while the earth moves around the sun. Why do the earth and moon need different orbits?
Because they have the different path.
Different path, okay.
Yeah.
Kasi, the earth moves around the sun in a fixed path called an orbit, okay? What might happen if the earth stopped moving on its own orbit? What will happen if the earth stop moving?
The Earth will cannot
Get disturbed also. Could be disturbed. Say,
could be disturbed.
the earth.
The Earth could be disturbed.
Kasih. Di sebuah desa, listrik sering padam karena penggunaan bahan bakar minyak yang semakin terbatas. Kepala desa ingin mencari sumber energi lain yang lebih ramah lingkungan dan dapat digunakan dalam jangka panjang. Menurutmu apa energi alternatif yang cocok digunakan di desa?
Energi minyak bumi,
Apa?
energi listrik.
Iya, maksudnya yang ramah lingkungannya. Cara untuk mendapatkan energi listrik ini dari mana?
Apa Miss?
Kan energi listrik yang digunakan, tapi menghasilkan energi listriknya dari mana? Energi yang ramah lingkungan.
Dari matahari.
Matahari. Next, Josephine. Energi surya digunakan untuk menyalakan lampu di siang hari sebuah rumah. Apa keuntungan menggunakan energi surya dibanding listrik biasa?
Lebih ramah lingkungan, tidak mencemar lingkungan, tidak menyebabkan polusi.
Next, di sebuah daerah pantai angin bertiup cukup kencang hampir setiap hari. Namun masyarakat di sana masih menggunakan bahan bakar minyak untuk kebutuhan listrik mereka. Menurutmu apakah ada sumber energi alternatif yang lain yang dapat digunakan di desa tersebut?
Ada
Ada, apa itu? Di pantai yang berangin kencang, maka digunakan di pantai yang berangin kencang, maka digunakan energi apa? Yang digunakan adalah energi angin melalui turbin. Next. Di desa, beberapa warga menggunakan biogas dari kotoran ternak untuk memasak. Mengapa biogas bermanfaat untuk masyarakat desa?
Biogas. Kotoran ternak.
Ya,
Manfaatnya. Biogas bermanfaat.
bisa. Coba jelaskan bagaimana konsep biogas bisa mengurangi limbah kotoran hewan. Please explain how the biogas reduce the garbage of the trash from the animal.
I think I knows that, but I forgot the name. It can reduce the what? It can reduce the
Yeah, from the animal. Yeah, I know. I
Yes,
know.
it can reduce from the animal, causing can get us a clean breath and
Okay.
clean
You have learned about computer, right? Why a loop is useful in animation? Why a loop is it useful in animation?
It is perfect to use as your project or as can use as a project or can make your content, make your animation better.
Felicia, what is repeat until loop and when should you use it?
Repeat until loop. Repeat until loop.
You know,
Loop,
repeat
loop
until
or repeat until loop? Huh?
repeat until loop. It repeats until in a condition is met. You don't know. Next, Kelly. Kai. Why is the function why is the function of looks block in animation? Yes, looks block in animation.
Block in animation. The looks can the looks can repeat the animations.
Next, Josephine. The difference between switch custom and next custom.
Switch custom is switching to a certain custom that we choose. If next custom is switched to the next custom in the order.
Next, Kasi. Compare computer loops and conditional loops. Computer loops and conditional loops. Compare. Do you know? Oke, matematika. Data tinggi tanaman. Tanaman 1 minggu pertama 20 cm. Tanaman 1 di minggu pertama 20 cm. Tanaman kedua di minggu pertama 28 cm. Oke, ini minggu pertama semua ya. Minggu pertama, tanaman 1 20 cm dan tanaman 2 28 cm. Astaga. Wrong. I mean, data tinggi tanaman. Tanaman 1 minggu pertama 20 cm. Tanaman 2 minggu pertama 28 cm. Oke, pertanyaannya. Pada minggu berapa tanaman lebih tinggi? Dan berapa pertambahan tinggi tanaman? Ya? Tanamannya kan hanya 1. Tanaman 1 minggu pertama. 1 minggu pertama itu 20 cm dan 2 minggu pertama itu 28 cm. Oke, good. Oke. Next, math. Okay. The first week is 20 centimeter, okay? And then the second week is 28 centimeter.
Huh? Miss.
Wait, this is for praise. The first week is 20 centimeter, and then the second week is 28 centimeter. So which one is the taller plant? The taller is this first week or the second week? Okay, and how is the difference of the height of the plants? Difference how many centimeter? It means 28 minus 20, right? Okay, answer now. Next question, math. In a class, let me see your answer first. It's very easy. You're not at, you minus. So what's the answer? 28 minus 20. Okay, next. Just answer if you have time, okay? In a class, 25 students join a survey. 14 students like swimming. 13 students like cycling. And 6 students like both activities.
Like what?
Both activities. But it means 6 students like swimming and cycling, okay? Next question. How many students like only one activity?
I mean,
Get it? Let me see it first. Okay. Go to class, Felicia. Okay, 14 students like swimming, 13 students like cycling, and 6 students like what activities? 5, go to class. 4, 3, 2. Your answer? 20.
no, I mean,
Let me see. Okay, go to class. Kasih. Okay, go to class, Kasih. Okay, go to class. The Earth moves around the Sun in a fixed path called an orbit. What will happen if the Earth stopped moving and its orbit?
Skip, Miss.
The Moon moves around the Earth in its own orbit, while the Earth moves around the Sun. Why do the Earth and Moon need different orbits?
If they in the same orbit, so I think the night will be little different.
Next, the Earth rotates every day. Why do people in different countries have different times?
Skip, Miss.
A country experiences daytime while another country experiences nighttime. Explain why this happened.
Skip, Miss.
So, what are you doing in the school? Why do you always skip and skip? Have you learned in your class? Or you just play, just go to toilet, or maybe refill the water? How about you? The Moon moves around the Earth in its own orbit, while the Earth moves around the Sun. What would happen if the Moon did not orbit the Earth?
The Earth will be so bright,
So bright. Okay, and then?
and then we will doesn't have night.
Okay. Ipas. Di sebuah desa, listrik sering padam karena penggunaan bahan bakar minyak semakin terbatas. Kepala desa ingin mencari sumber energi yang lain. Menurutmu apa energi alternatif yang cocok digunakan?
Energi alternatif, energi surya,
Mengapa?
karena energi surya tidak membuat lingkungan menjadi kotor dan polusi.
Next. Energi surya digunakan untuk menyalakan lampu di siang hari pada sebuah rumah. Apa keuntungan menggunakan energi surya?
Penggunaan bahan bakar akan berkurang dan bahan bakar fosil tidak akan lebih cepat habis.
Next. Di sebuah daerah pantai, angin bertiup cukup kencang hampir setiap hari, namun masyarakat masih kekurangan bahan bakar minyak untuk kebutuhan listrik. Menurutmu, apakah sumber daya energi yang dapat digunakan di pantai tersebut?
Energi
Apa?
menggunakan turbin angin untuk menyerap angin untuk menjadikan listrik.
Kalves, di desa, beberapa warga menggunakan biogas dari kotoran ternak untuk memasak. Mengapa biogas bermanfaat bagi masyarakat desa?
Agar bisa memasak dan juga bisa diolah lagi menjadi biodiesel yang bisa dipakai untuk kendaraan.
Next, coba jelaskan bagaimana konsep biogas bisa mengurangi limbah kotoran.
Ulang, Miss.
Jelaskan bagaimana konsep biogas mengurangi limbah kotoran.
Eh,
Bagaimana caranya?
Caranya dengan memfilter biogas itu lagi eh, agar mendapatkan biogas yang lebih bagus dan maksimal.
Why a loop is useful in animation? Loop. Why loop is useful in animation? Computer.
While loop is used for information.
For what?
Repeat, Miss.
It is useful to make what?
Loop.
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 Yes.
It is useful to make uh, mm,
To make move.
to make move.
Next. What is a repeat until loop? Next. What is the function of looks block animation?
To to move the animation.
Looks block and okay, next. Explain the difference between switch custom and next custom.
So custom is to change the custom in animation, and next custom to change the next animation.
You too. Okay, just skip it. Next. Uh, compare counter loops and conditional loops and explain when to use each. Counter loops and conditional loops. You know, Marco? Math. In class, 25 students joined the survey. Okay?
25
First-
students.
14 students like swimming. Swimming. 13 students like cycling. Cycling, bicycle. 13. Okay? And 6 students like both activities. 6 students like both activities. Like cycling and also swimming. Okay?
Yeah.
The question is, how many students like only one activity? How many students that like only one activity? It means you minus the student that like swimming minus student like both activity. And also, what are you doing in school? Just playing. How about you? Do you understand?
Yes.
What's your answer?
Always.
False. Very understand. Next question. Matematika. Data tinggi tanaman. Tanaman 1 minggu pertama 20 cm. 1 minggu pertama 20 cm. 2 minggu pertama 28 cm. Oke, 1 minggu pertama 20 cm. 2 minggu pertama 28 cm. Minggu keberapa tanaman lebih tinggi? Dan berapa panjang pertambahan tinggi tanaman? Oke, get it? Minggu pertama 20, minggu kedua 28 cm. Mana yang lebih tinggi?
Pertanyaannya, Miss.
Jawabanmu mana ini? Apa ini lingkaran? Oke, go to class, Calves. Oke, go to class. Go to class.
Salah, Miss.
Ya.